In the tech world, where speed, security, and efficiency determine success, one operating system powers it all: Linux. From Google and NASA to your favorite streaming platforms, Linux is the foundation of modern computing. Meet Aman, a passionate developer with big ambitions. But one major obstacle, his computer was holding him back. Slow booting time, constant updates, and crashes at the worst moments. That's when Aman discovered Linux. With Linux, Aman took full control of his system. No limitations, no compromises. Just speed, security, and endless potential. But that's not all. Aman mastered Linux from the ground up and worked with top companies. All thanks to one decision. To master Linux. Now you can learn Linux too. But how? We have a comprehensive Linux course on Udemy. Whether you are just starting or aiming to level up your skills, this course is designed just for you. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now. The link is in the description below.